Hi guys, Bob here, Robert here, KMS Winches. I got this brand new K2 480 free spool, and this thing is sweetie. Here we go. I'm gonna lift that 25-pound bottle jack. Let's lift a little more bottle jack. Dark on it. There, keep it away from that water pump. Okay, I am using a K winch controller, and I'm also using the Flyski GT3C. I'm using the third channel on the dual rate to lift her. Let's see what it does when it hits the table saw. It lifting that table saw up too. Yeah. Oh, my toe. Okay, shut her off, hon.